Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study engineering graphics. To begin, focus on understanding the fundamental principles of drawing and industry standards. Master orthographic projection to accurately represent three-dimensional objects in 2 dimensions. Also, learn various pictorial drawing techniques like isometric views. Familiarize yourself with both traditional drafting tools and modern CAD software to build a strong foundation. Consistent practice is absolutely key to mastering engineering graphics. Dedicate time to regularly sketch and complete drawing exercises. Work through a variety of problems from your textbooks and other reliable online resources. Always strive to apply these concepts to real-world engineering components and make sure to utilize CAD software for precise digital drafting, which is essential in modern engineering. Developing strong spatial reasoning is crucial for success in engineering graphics. Actively work on improving your ability to visualize three-dimensional objects from their two-dimensional representations. Practice mentally rotating and dissecting complex shapes. Using physical models can significantly enhance your spatial understanding. Additionally, sketch objects from many different perspectives to build your intuitive grasp of form. Finally, continuously review your work and seek opportunities to advance your skills. Identify common errors in your drawings and actively work to correct your techniques. Explore more advanced topics such as sectioning, dimensioning, and tolerancing. Gain a solid understanding of assembly drawings and exploded views. Always seek feedback on your drawings from instructors or peers to refine your abilities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.